Hello students, welcome to our class. Right. So in the last class what you have learned? Very good. You have learned about addition of integers. Addition. Do you know the addition? Yes. If you take 2 and 3, what is the sum? It gives 5. Right. So in the last class you have learned how to add integers using the number line. Now today you are going to learn subtraction of integers. So what is our topic? Yes, subtraction of integers. Subtraction. Okay, subtraction of integers. Suppose 4 and 3. 2 integers I have taken. These two are positive integers. How to subtract? So do you know the symbol for the subtraction? Yes, minus. Okay, subtraction of 4 and 3. So you have to give 4 minus 3. It gives subtract 3 from 4. How much? 1. Okay, without using number line, we found the value. Now with using number line, how will you subtract integers? Now let us see 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. How to subtract? So using the number line. So draw first line. So and represent the integers on the line. 0 right side are positive integers. 0 right side positive integers and left side are negative integers. Okay, so here many integers will come. Right, here 5 minus 3. So you have to start from where? Yes, you have to start from 5. Okay, right, 5. So 5, how will you reach here? Yes, from 0 to 5. Now your place is at 5. Minus 3. Minus. I give a minus means you have to move left side. If plus is there, move towards right direction. Here minus 3. Minus 3 means you have to move 3 steps towards left direction, left side. So that's why you have to start here at the 5. 5 to 3 steps you have to move left side. Start here from 5 to 4. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. So you reach? Yes, you reached at the 2. Now tell me 5 minus 3 it gives 2. Without using number line, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. With using number line also you got 2. So this is the way of finding the subtraction of integers. Suppose if two negative integers minus 2, minus 3. These two are negative integers. How to find, how to subtract these two integers using the number line? So same way, first draw a line and represent the integers. So 0 right side are positive integers and left side are negative integers. Okay, so here minus 2, minus 3. You have to start, yes, 0 to minus 2 means move left side. 0 to 2. Okay, minus 2. Minus 2, minus 3. Again minus 3 given. Minus 3 means move left side. So how many steps? 3 steps from minus 2. So that is 1, 2, 3. So your destination, you got the which type of integer? Yes, negative integer. That is minus 5. Minus 2, minus 3. It gives minus 5. Is it clear, children? Right. Now take your textbooks and keep heading exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. So first one, find A1, 35 minus 20. So here he didn't mention using number line. Okay, so without using number line, how to find? So here 35 minus 20. So what you have to do here? Yes, you have to subtract two integers from, yes, 35 minus 20. 35 minus 20, how much? 35 minus 20. So 5 minus 0, 5, 3 minus 2, 1. So how much? 15. 35 minus 20 is 15. Next, B1, 72 minus 90. 72 minus 90, same way, subtract 72, 90. So here 72 is a lesser value than 90. So that's why you have to subtract from 90 to 72. Okay. So here 90, 72. So here observe, in front of 90, which sign is there? Yes, minus. You should keep negative sign, and here positive. Now subtract two integers, 0 minus 2. So it is not possible. So take borrow. So it gives 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Next. So here, yes, 8 is there. 8 minus 7, 1. Now we have to remember which sign you have to give here. Yes, minus. Why? Because here 90 is a greater, but in front of minus sign it has. That's why you have to keep minus. Minus 18 is the answer. Right. Next to C1, minus 15 minus of minus 18. Minus 15 minus of minus 18. Already I said na, here minus 15 minus of minus. So here two signs are there. Okay, we have to use here standard operations. So here in front of nothing is there na? So you should remember here it is plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus 15. Here minus, this bracket you have to consider as into. Minus into minus, plus 18. Now subtract. Minus plus. You have to do here subtraction. So 18 minus 15. How much? Yes, 3. Okay. After subtracting 18 minus 15, it gives 3. Right, children. Next to D, E, F. So these are same. You have to do yourself. So in first one, D, E, F. Okay. So use this method. Find the problems. Right. Second one. Fill in the blanks with the greater than, less than or equal sign. Greater than, less than, equal. These symbols are, yes, for comparison purpose we are using greater than, less than or equal. We have to use these symbols. Okay, first one, what he given? Minus 3 plus of minus 6. Okay, dash minus 3 minus of minus 6. He has given this one. Okay, you have to show this value, which is greater or which is smaller. Now find first. Here minus 3 plus of minus 6. How will you show that one? Listen. First take minus 3 plus minus 6. Find this value. Minus 3 plus minus 6. You know that now? First write minus 3 plus into minus. Minus 6. Both are negatives. Both are negatives. Minus 3 minus 6. Yes. It is equal to minus 9. Okay. Next. Minus 3 minus of minus 3 minus of minus 6. So this one also simplified. Minus 3 minus into minus, right, plus 6. Now minus 3 plus 6. Subtract. Yes, 3. Now observe. Minus 3 plus of minus 6 value is minus 6. Okay. So this value is minus 9 and minus 3 minus of minus 6 value is 3. Now tell me which is greater. Yes, 3 is greater than minus 9. Always remember, positive integers are greater than negative integers. Negative integers are always less than the positive integers. Now, which symbol we have to give here? Yes, so it is less than 3. It is less than. Okay. So this symbol is less than. It is greater than. Okay na children? Is it clear? Right. And come to the next one. So copy it. Finished na? Right. Next second one what he given? Minus 21 minus of minus 10 blank minus 31 plus minus 11. Minus 11. Right. So how will you find this one? Same way. What I said to you? First find this one. You have to subtract these two integers. So find the solution. So minus 21 minus of minus 10. So it is equal to, simplify, minus 21 minus into minus plus 10. Okay, 21 10. You have to subtract. 21 minus 10. How much? It is equal to 11. But remember here, 21 in front which sign is there? Minus. So you have to give minus sign. Okay na? Right. Now find the second one. Minus 31 plus of minus 11. Same. Simplify. Minus 31 plus into minus. Minus 11. Both are now negative integers. You have to add. You have to add 31, 11. So how much? 2. 3 plus 1, 4. So both are negatives. Should give negative. So the answer is minus 42. Now this value, what is that? Minus 11. And this one? Minus 42. Now tell me which is greater? Which is greater? Minus 11 is greater or minus 42 is greater? 11. Minus 11 is greater. Okay. Minus 11 is greater than minus 42. Okay na children? I think it is very easy. I hope you can solve remaining problems also. Very easy. So you note down C and D also homework. C and D. Right. Next same third one. Filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. Filling the blanks, first one, minus 8 dash is equal to 0. Okay, children, so you have to fill this one. Minus 8 plus dash is equal to 0. So, what should add? Here, you will get 0. Which integer if you add here, it gives 0. Which integer you have to add here? Here already you have minus 8. So, you want 0. Then which integer you have to take here? Yes. Minus 8 or plus 8? Plus 8. Okay. So, minus 8. Additive inverse is plus 8. Addition inverse is minus. Okay. Minus 8 plus 8. It gives 0. Next, 13 plus dash is equal to 0. Already here plus 13 is there. Then how you will get 0? Which integer you have to add here? Yes. So already here plus, so you have to take the additive inverse. Additive inverse of 13 is minus 13. Then only you will get 0. Next, 12 plus into minus 12. 12. So simplify this one. 12 plus into minus. Right, minus 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Right? Minus 4 plus. You have to fill here. Integer. Which integer if you add, you will get minus 12. So, here minus 4. Answer came in minus 12. If you add positive integer, will you get minus 12? So, observe here. Already minus 4. How many integers if you add, you will get to 12? Yes, you have to add here 8. If you take a positive integer, okay, plus 8. So, do minus 4 plus 8. It gives, yes, 4 only. 4 only. But we need minus 12. So, that's why you have to take here negative integer. If you add 2 integers, yes, it is equal to minus 12. Now tell me which type of integer you have to add here? Minus 8. Okay, na? Right. Here minus 15 is equal to minus 10. Tell me, minus 15 is equal to minus 10. So how will you get minus 10? If you take 5 minus 15 is equal to minus 10? Yes. So minus 15 of 5. Subtract 5 minus 5 is 0, 1. So it is equal to minus 10. Minus 10. Okay na children? So very easy. This one also you have to write down in your class work. Okay. Okay children. Now next one, fourth one, that is find minus 7, minus 8, minus of minus 25. So here observe minus 7, minus 8, minus of minus 25. So first before subtracting this all, you have to simplify. Simplify that one. Minus 7, minus 8. Here it is in the bracket. So simplify minus, this bracket you have to consider as into, multiplication. Minus into minus. Yes, it is plus 25. So remember, plus into plus is equal to plus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Okay? Right. Here, observe. Minus 7 minus 8 plus 25. So here you have to take together same sign. Same sign means here minus 7 or minus 8 both are negatives. So you have to add these two. Minus 7 or minus 8. Yes, it gives minus 15 plus 25. So now minus to plus. That means you have to subtract. Different signs are there. Okay na? Right. Subtract 25 minus 15. 15 you have to subtract from 25. So you will get 5 minus 5, 0, 2 minus 1, 1. So what is that? 10 is the answer. But here observe, 25 is a larger value. It contains yes, which sign? Positive. So if you give positive, so no need. So if 10 before nothing sign is there, that means you have to consider the positive sign is there. Okay, no need to give that one. Right. Second one, minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. Same procedure. First simplify. Here minus, so nothing here means you have to consider it plus. Plus into minus, minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. Next, minus 32 plus 32 minus 32 minus 1. Observe here. So here 3 negative integers. Okay. So what I said, if integers contains the same sign, you should keep one side. So here minus 13 and here minus 8 minus 1. And it is positive integer, that is 32. Now add these all. Same sign means you have to add. Okay. And give negative sign only. Minus 13 8. Minus 13 8 minus 1. Add these all integers. 3 plus 8 11 plus 1 12. 1 plus 1 2. So here all are negatives. Give negative. Minus 22 plus 32. And next, minus 22 plus 32. Here minus plus. Different. Okay. You have to subtract from 32 minus 22. Subtract 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 10 is the answer. Okay. 10. So here 32 contains a positive sign. No need to give here positive. Right. Next, third one. Minus 7 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 90. Minus 90. Right. Simplify this one. Minus 7 plus of minus 8. So here it is minus 7 plus into minus is equal to minus 8. Again plus into minus 90. Now observe here, all are very good. All are negative integers. So all are negatives. What you have to do here? You have to do addition and you have to give negative sign. Okay. Right. Here minus 7 or minus 8. How much? Minus 7 minus 8 90. So 7 8. Yes, it is 15. 9 plus 1 10. So what you have to do here? Give negative sign to minus 105. So what is the answer here? Minus 105. Right, children? Next, in this problem, we have only one, that is D. You have to do yourself. Okay, children? Copy it. So what I have given homework, that one you have to solve. Right, children? Okay, bye.